So now let's see how we can work around with Smudge and Roughen option inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go around and bring in this particular shape right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and choose a color right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go around, and here you can see that Smudge and Roughen is an option. So if I were to go around onto Smudge, I can go around and choose the size of the brush that I want right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And then if I were to go around and click right here, click and drag right here, you can see that I can go around and smudge it out inside right here, just like this. So you can see that as I go around, I can go around and smudge it inside right here. It looks like I'm erasing, but if I were to go around and do it from the inside right here, then I can actually go around and pull it out right here. So I can push the content in right here, or I can go around and pull the content out, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is what you have right here. So this is how you can go around and then smudge it out, as you can see right here, and now smudge it in or pull it out according to how I want right here. You can also go around and change around the level of strength right here, just like this. So you can go around and make it more smaller right here, as you can see, as you go inside right here. And you can also change around the angle right here, just like this as well, just like this. And apart from that, you can see that this is the other options that you have right here to change around how the smudge actually works. So apart from the smudge tool right here, you have the roughen tool as well. So roughen tool actually goes around, and then you can see that you can roughen up the edges right here, just like this. You can click and hold out right here, and you can see that you can roughen these things out right here, just like this. Click and drag this out, and then everything is roughened up right here as I click and hold it around right here, just like this. You can click, you can hold right here, roughen it out, and this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can utilize the Smudge and Roughen tool inside of Corel Draw. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.